Hey guys, welcome back to the All-in-One Show. And today is part 5 of the HTML training series. And just to kind of refresh you guys' memory on all this stuff, we worked on the title, which is what shows up. Look where my mouse is; it shows up for the tab. We also worked on headings and paragraphs in the first video. Second video, we worked on bullet points and numbers. Third video, we worked on links. And the fourth video, we worked on images. And in the second video, I wrote you guys, for HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's actually markup language. So let me fix that real quick. Markup language. So that's better. There we go. Alright, you guys. So let's keep going on this. But today I'm going to be showing you some style stuff. I'm going to get some style in there. And so with the style, it's not going to be in the body section. It's going to be in the head. Excuse me. And so for style, we're going to start by making some style headings. Style heads. Style tags. And in between those style tags, what we're going to do is let's start by making the background a different color. All right, so yes, we're going to start by making the background a new color. All right, so let me figure this out here. So we're going to do body. We're going to write body. No brackets or anything for there. And so that's going to tell us that everything within the body, which is the length, the picture, the text, and all the text, the body, and that's what we're saying. Then we're going to do a curly brace, and then we're going to step down one, right? And then it automatically writes another curly brace before right here, or afterwards right there. And so we're going to do background color. Before you do all this, you have to make sure you have all the right text. So background dash color. And then we're going to do a colon, and then it automatically does a semicolon for us because it knows that that's what we're going to have to do. And then we're going to put our background color. My favorite color is purple. So we're going to do purple. So we're going to write purple right there. And make sure you guys have all this text right, because if you don't have one thing right, then it won't work. And it's kind of touchy about that. So because when we have body, everything within the body that background is going to be purple. And that's everything that we see on this page right now. So if we're going to refresh our page here. There, see that? I'm not that the only reason that is set like that is because the space around the image is purple. But that white space is part of the image because they can't just cut out an image to have it be just the image. So that's going to be that. So what we can do to fix that, to make it a little bit less noticeable, but we could make the background yellow, have a brighter color to kind of match the white at least. Yeah, that's a little bit better. So it doesn't stand out as much. So that's pretty good for that. And that's what you can do for the background of your text. And for text, this is the head. This is a heading, right? And so what we can do, what size is this? This is H1. So then we can do anything at H1. Anything at H1 is going to be, so we can do H1 color. I think I'm doing this right. Color. Can do, let's make it red. No, that's Hawkeyes or Cyclones. I can't do that. Let's make it blue. All right. So yeah, you guys, I'm a Hawkeye fan. All righty. And then we're gonna refresh that and see how right there that is H1. So it's gonna be blue. So if I made this heading right here, or whoops, that's the H1. If I made no, never mind. That's okay. Because anything that you have typed in H1 is going to turn out to be blue because we have the H1 header is blue. And so now, if we want to do all of our, let's make our, excuse me, I don't have a very good voice today. We're going to make our bullet points, our unordered list, what color should we make that, you guys? Let's make it, let's make that purple, actually. So we're going to make it color, oops, that's how I spell purple. There we go. And so we're going to refresh our page here. See how that turned purple? And you can do this with any type of font, or not font, what am I saying? Any type of text. And so when you're doing this, follow my mouse here. See how this says P right here? P. So if you have P right here, then everything that's in a P bracket, anything that are in a P are going to be yellow. No, any color you make it. I'm sorry, well, I don't know why I said yellow. And for this one, see how it says UL right here? Anything with the UL, anything within UL brackets are going to turn purple. And H3 right here, anything within H3 brackets is going to turn, I don't know, whatever color you want to do it. But there is an exception for this link here. I'm not sure what it does, but since it's a link, and it's automatically turned like this purpley blue, I'm not sure how that's going to turn out. But, well, yeah, so I don't know about that. But if you just type in the name of the bracket that it's in, you don't have to have any brackets for the style sheet, but for down here you do. So if we can take out the UL up here and just put LI, that's going to mean everything within the LI brackets are going to turn purple. So I think that's how it's going to work, at least. Yep, and you see that? Anything that's a part of a list is going to turn purple. So yeah, if we want to make our paragraphs, what color should we make our paragraphs? We should make our paragraphs, green. That'd be cool. And so actually, here we go. I'm gonna do something here quick. We can do background color. No, yeah. Background color for text even. We don't have to do that for the whole body. We can do text. And anything for text that has P inside of it, we can make it turn green, I think, here. And I'm going to put a space. I'm not sure if that space matters, but I put it there. I don't know. And so right there. See how those backgrounds turn green even when they're like that? And what we can do is I'm actually going to copy this and then paste it right there. So now we have two of those. I'm just going to change the background color to just color and then change the green to yellow. And so when we have that, it's going to kind of invert it like that. I know that looks kind of weird, but you guys can adjust this anything you want. And so you guys know when you go to Lowe's, you have these, like, I don't know, any place actually that you can buy paint. You know how they have those little cards with the different shades? There's like a bazillion of them. And HTML colors aren't every single one of those. So if you can look up on the internet HTML colors. HTML colors. So when we do, oh my goodness, HTML colors, and so there are different ways to type colors here. And there's the hex color code, which I might be making a video on later. Maybe there's a slight possibility might be making on hex code. And anyways, you can do a whole bunch of different colors for those. And that, you guys, is basically all I'm going to show you in this one for style. And so I'm not sure what I'm going to do next video. I don't even know. So you will figure that out, though, if you watch the next one. So with that being said, like, subscribe, and keep watching the series, by the way. I think it's going to be really cool. And I'll see you next time on the All-in-One Show.